Welcome! Ready for a trip somewhere truly special? Imagine Poland as a world built from colorful clay, wobbly buildings, thumb-printed trees, and a storybook landscape. Picture a big, soft map of Poland, mountains and rivers pressed in by hand, the Baltic Sea shimmering blue, and cities like Warsaw and Krakow as playful clay models. This is a land of contrasts, history and modern life, all mixed together like different colors of clay. But today, we're not just visiting the famous spots. We're searching for hidden gems, the secret places that make you say, "Now that's clever." We'll wander cobbled streets, discover towns with personality, and find the real magic at the heart of Poland. So, lace up your imaginary boots. The air is fresh, the colors are bright, and every corner holds a new surprise. Poland isn't just a place on a map, it's a living, breathing storybook. And we're about to turn the first page. The adventure is just getting started. Let's see what marvelous creations we can find together in this fantastic land. Ready? Let's go. Clay map rolls out. Cities and forests pop up. Music swells as we zoom into our first destination.
Let's roll away from the cities to Sandomierz, perched on a hill like a model on green clay. Its square glows with orange and yellow, and beneath, secret tunnels twist like hidden veins. Next, the Białowieża forest, ancient, wild, and home to the mighty European bison. Imagine giant trees and shaggy bison sculpted from dark brown clay, roaming a prehistoric scene. Now, south to the Dunajec River Gorge. We float on a wooden raft, cliffs towering above us, the river a blue ribbon winding through a canyon built for adventure. Finally, Kazimierz Dolny, a riverside town beloved by artists. Pastel buildings, quirky galleries, and a bustling market square full of tiny clay figures. Castle ruins overlook it all, giving us a perfect bird's-eye view of our clay world. Each place is a hidden gem, full of character and charm. These are the scenes that make Poland unforgettable. Quick montage, bison, rafts, artists painting. The scenery here is as rich and varied as any animated film. Let's keep exploring. Transition to food scene. Music fades.
Exploring makes you hungry. Let's dive into Polish food, starting with pierogi, those soft crescent dumplings pinched by hand and filled with potato, cheese, mushrooms, or even sweet berries. Next, jurek, a tangy rye soup, often served in a crusty bread bowl, with sausage and potatoes floating in creamy broth. For dessert, pączki, plump Polish donuts filled with jam and dusted with sugar, light as clouds. And to drink, kompot, a sweet homemade fruit drink, ruby red and full of flavor. Each dish is crafted with care, just like our clay creations. Polish food is hearty, comforting, and full of surprises. It's a feast for the eyes and the belly. Quick shots, dumplings, soup and bread, donuts, kompot pitcher. These flavors are part of Poland's story. Ready for more? Transition to traditions. Music shifts to folk tune. Table fades into next scene. Poland's traditions are as colorful as its scenery. In Krakow, the Lajkonik festival bursts with energy. A man in a Tatar costume rides a hobby horse, tapping people for luck as crowds cheer. At Easter, pisanki, intricately decorated eggs, are tiny masterpieces, each region with its own style and story. Christmas brings the Wigilia supper with an extra seat for a stranger, a symbol of warmth and welcome, and at celebrations, the Polonaise dance glides across ballrooms, couples in elegant dress moving in graceful procession. These traditions are living art, passed down through generations. They're the heartbeat of Polish culture. Montage, Lajkonik, eggs, Christmas table, Polonaise. Each one tells a story of creativity, kindness, and community. In Poland, every celebration is a work of art. Folk music swells. Scene transitions to final thoughts. Clay figures dance off screen. Lights dim. Soft music. Our clay journey ends, but Poland's real adventure is just beginning. We've explored hidden towns, ancient forests, and tasted delicious food. Poland is more than its famous cities. It's a land of secret stories and warm welcomes. Every detail, from a painted egg to a bustling market, is crafted with heart. The real Poland isn't made of clay, but it's just as vibrant and full of life. So why not pack your bags and see it for yourself? Find your own hidden gems, taste a real pierog, and make your own memories. Poland is ready for its close-up. All it needs is you. Be the director of your own fantastic journey. Have a grand adventure.